For over a period of 100 years, the Murugappa Group has been adding enthusiasm in the lives of many people. Back in 1900, when Diwan Bahadur A.M. Murugappa Chettiar established a money lending and banking business in Burma. Since then, all generations have been putting their hard work and finding ways to touch people's lives. Each generation strengthened the existing businesses and developed new ones. Managing the evolution of businesses and governance structures simultaneously. The Murugappa Group is set up on the strong foundation of 5 core values: integrity, passion, quality, respect, and responsibility. The group has a number of initiatives that help employees to excel and groom them to be competent leaders and global managers. At the Murugappa Group, corporate success has always gone hand in hand with social commitments. It has been at the forefront of eco-conservation, public health and education. One of India's leading business houses, the Murugappa Group is diversified conglomerate with a presence spanning many industries. The group has 28 businesses including 9 listed companies in NSE and BSE. A global leader in material sciences, including abrasive, ceramics and refractories, Carborundum Universal makes an extensive range of abrasives in the world. QME has achieved a reputation for quality and innovation because of its state-of-the-art facilities, global presence and alliance. Cholamandalam Investment and Finance Company is the financial service arm of the Murugappa Group. The company offers comprehensive financial solutions. Coromandel International, Farmers Ultimate Solution manufactures and markets fertilizers, specialty nutrients and plant protection chemicals. Coromandel's Managramor rural retail stores also provide total solutions to farmers from soil analysis to fertilizers, agrarian goods and lifestyle products. EID Parry is the first sugar company in India to manufacture sugar in 1842 and amongst the earliest sugar manufacturers in the world. EID Parry is a pioneer and world leader in organic spirulina and microalgae products in the nutraceutical space. Parry Agro is a leading producer of tea in India. Other business of the Murugappa Group includes Parry Enterprises India Limited, Wendt India Limited, Parry Murray and Company Limited, Murugappa Morgan Thermal Ceramics, Ambadi. Established in 1949, Tube Investment India Limited is the engineering artwork of the Murugappa Group. The enterprise has grown continuously and has a turnover of more than 5,400 crore rupees. The company deals in a wide range of products including railway structures. Over a period of time, TI has proved its efficiency by offering products of higher quality, higher strengths, higher performance, structural steel for reliable infrastructure development. TI Cycles is a proactive and first bicycle company with BSA and Hercules brands. TIDC is one of the oldest manufacturers of bicycle chains, automobile chains and industrial chains of all dimensions and over 1,000 varieties of roller chains. TI Shanti Gear. Shanti Gears, the largest player in the industrial gears segment in India, was acquired by TIIL in 2012. Tube Products of India, India's undisputed leader in the CDW tubes for the automotive industry. TPI also manufactures CRCA strips and precision tubular components catering to international standards. TI Metal Forming is diversified into auto components, railways, motor casings, generator frames, and is now foraying into farm implements. TI Macho. TII now brings improved materials and mechanical propertied TMT bars marketed under the brand TI Macho. TI has developed a unique technology of quenching TMT bars called the Maelstrom. This enables the TMT bars to be quenched 2 to 3 times faster than the traditional quenching processes, resulting in the formation of very fine microstructures in the TMT bars. Through world-class Maelstrom technology, TI can deliver TMT bars of superior performance and longer life, imparting superior combination of strengths and ductility to the bars. This technology of quenching is unique to the process. It is the fine microstructure achieved through this quenching technique that gives TI Macho TMT bars their unique properties. Murugappa Group continues to preserve its heritage and enhance trust and opportunities in the Indian market. And we, the Murugappa Group, believe in creating the bright future of our country and its people.